There are times we want to disaggregate a curve into some of its parts. And there's lots of ways that we might want to disaggregate it, but I'm going to show you one method that you can use that could apply lots of different ways. So first of all, I have three uncertainties here. These two are triangular, so I'm going to take these, and I've already generated this PM table and SIPmath chart data. I'm going to generate some uncertainties here, so I'll do this. These are triangular, I believe. It's triangular. That's all good. This looks like a binary variable that's not been defined. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I guess it has. Let's see. Let's see if it moves. Okay, that one already moves. Okay, we're done. So now what I want to do is I want to multiply these two variables together. So we're going to multiply them, and then we will define that as an output. And then we'll graph it. Oh, you know what I failed to do? Equals if that equals 1, then we get the value of success. Otherwise, we're going to get the value of failure. Aha, there's what I was looking for. So it's got this vertical line here. So oftentimes maybe we want to talk about what is not just the chance of success, but what is the result if I'm successful. So what we can do here is we can define a variable that says distribution of success. And this is success meaning positive outcomes, positive zeros. Maybe I should say this distribution of the value greater than 0. Okay? So it's equal to if that is greater than 0, comma, then I want that number. Otherwise, I want a 0. And that might not seem like much right now, but let's, and I'm going to change this to greater than, because it doesn't, SIPmath doesn't like, or Excel doesn't like, greater than 0. Okay? And we'll define that as an output. And then we can graph it. It's important to graph it here, because now look what happens when I change this variable to a, let's say, an underscore, just for kicks. I think it can be lots of different things. But that becomes the distribution of values greater than 0. So it's this distribution here. What if I wanted the distribution less than 0? I'm going to say here equals if this is less than 0, then give me that value. Otherwise, give me a 0. We'll define that as an output. And so now I have the distribution of less than 0 and above 0. See this vertical line? And I haven't completed the task. I need to change that to an underscore, quote, underscore. And there we have it. So that's how you can do that. You could do that based on other values. You could do it based on the percentile or something of that nature. All kinds of ways to do it. Hope that's helpful to you.